Hello friends, this is Heather the Fed Up Foodie. If you love peanut butter and want an easier recipe than caramel corn, then this peanut butter popcorn recipe is for you. It is incredibly easy to make and tastes very gourmet. I highly recommend using a hot air popcorn popper because it creates fluffy kernels that are not weighed down with oil, letting the peanut butter mixture adhere to the kernels better. Also, using a hot air popcorn is one of the easiest ways to prepare popcorn. One of the most crucial steps in making this recipe is to remove any unpopped kernels because once coated with the peanut butter mixture, those unpopped kernels can cause significant tooth damage. To do so, simply transfer the popcorn by spoon or hand from one bowl to another. The unpopped kernels will remain at the bottom of the bowl. To make the sauce, melt the butter over medium heat and add in the honey and a pinch of salt. Continue cooking this over medium heat, whisking consistently until it reaches a roaring boil. Or in other words, when it's boiling so vigorously that it's not interrupted by whisking. This first boil will take about 2 to 2.5 minutes, and once it reaches the vigorous boiling state, add in the peanut butter. Just like before, continue over the same heat, whisking consistently until the peanut butter melts and has a smooth consistency. This will take about 1.5 minutes. Now take off heat and whisk in the vanilla until the mixture is smooth again. Immediately pour the peanut butter mixture over the popcorn and with a long-handled wooden spoon stir until all the kernels are coated. Let the popcorn cool completely before eating. Within the recipe post, I share all kinds of fun add-ins that can be stirred in once the popcorn is coated. For the full recipe and the tips and tricks to making peanut butter popcorn, head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and don't forget to sign up for my weekly newsletter where I share recipe inspiration to make cooking from scratch uncomplicated.